Good morning, students. So, in the continuation of the meristematic tissue, we are going to discuss about the types of meristem. Okay, according to the position of the plant body, meristems are divided into three types. One is the apical meristem, and another one is the lateral meristem, and another one is the intercalary meristem. Okay, first one, apical meristem. What is apical meristem? Apical meristem, it is found at the growing tips. So you can see that in the picture, apical meristem. Okay, that is the growing tip. It is the shoot tip. It is the shoot tip. Same like that, root tip also the stem. Okay, it is the growing tip of the stem or root and their growing branches. Okay, it is found in the growing tips of the stem, root and their growing branches. Okay, it is also called as the primary meristem. Okay, sometime they will ask the defined primary meristem. You want to write the apical meristem. Okay, it is the primary meristem. It consisting of the group of cells which gives rise to the primary permanent tissue that together constitute the primary body of the plant. Okay, already I told you the dead cells. Okay, the plant cells are made up of the dead cells. Okay, these group of cells which give rise to primary permanent tissues. Okay, slowly it gets developed, then it together constitute the primary body of the plant and it forms the dead tissue or permanent tissue. Okay, and then due to the growth of the apical meristem, there is an increase in the length of the stems and roots. Okay, we can see the elongation or length of the stem and root. We can see that because of the apical meristem. Okay, now here you can see that picture apical meristem. The next one is the intercalary meristem. What is the intercalary meristem? Intercalary, this is the part of the apical meristem. It is the one part of the apical meristem which gets separated from the apex due to the development of the permanent tissue in between. Okay, so there will be a development of the permanent tissue in between the gap. Okay, here we can say that if you are taking the sugar cane or any other nodes like a plant, example we can take the sugar cane. It is look like in the sugar cane. Okay, intercalary meristem that helps in the elongation of the organ. It is elongation of the organ. Where it is developed, it is present mostly at the base of the nodes. What is nodes? Here you can see the straw-like structure, the intercalary meristem, straw-like structure, that is called as the node. Okay, the node, internode. What is internode? Here you can see that in the picture. So the gap between the one node to the another node, that is called as the internode. Okay, so it is the node and the internode. It is developed, the intercalary meristem that helps in the elongation of the organs. It is present mostly at the base of the nodes. Okay, the internodes is the space on either side of the node is called as the internode, and it sometimes we can say see that base of the leaves. Okay, so it is helps in the elongation of the organs, mostly present in the base of the nodes, internodes, and then base of the leaves. Okay, here you can see the picture, nodes, internodes, intercalary meristem, zone of elongation. Okay, then next one is the lateral meristem. Okay, lateral meristem, it is lateral meristem that is occurs on the sides of the root and stem. Okay, it is occurs in the sides of the root and stem, and it is responsible for the increase in the girth. What do you mean by the girth? Girth means diameter. Okay, the round like structure, that is the diameter. Okay, it is increase in the girth and then diameter of the roots and stem. Okay, it is increase in the diameter of the root and then stem part. Okay, and these tissues are also responsible for the growth of the thickness by the addition of the secondary tissue. Okay, secondary tissue. Okay, this secondary tissue growth is called as the secondary growth. Okay, the secondary tissue development is also called as the secondary growth. Okay, here you can see the picture, the girth of the plant or diameter of the plant. Okay, the secondary xylem and then cork, cambium, primary xylem and then primary phloem we will discuss in the permanent tissue. Okay, thank you.